How to deactivate a Facebook account. Facebook is fun, but maybe you are feeling like it's time for a break. Checking your new feed every 20 minutes can get tiring. Deactivate your account will hide your profile from the rest of Facebook, but preserve your information in case you even feel like going back. Number 1. Log into Facebook. In the upper right corner on your home page, click the gear icon. Select account setting from the menu that appear. In the account setting page, click security from the menu and left. Scroll down the page and click the deactivate your account link. On mobile device, click the menu button and scroll down to account setting. In the account setting menu, select security and then tap the deactivate button. Number 2. Select your reason for deactivating. Facebook does not like to see customers go, so they want to know why it is that you are leaving. They will also display random friends from your friends list as a way to try to get you to stay. You must choose a reason for deactivating your account. If you do not want to provide a reason, click the other option. If you do not like to give Facebook a detailed description as to why you are leaving, fill in the please explain further text box. This is optional. Number 3. Decide if you like to opt out of emails from Facebook while your account is deactivated. Friends can still tag you in posts and photos and invite you to events. If you like to not receive email notification when this happens, check the option out of receiving further emails from Facebook box. You can still be tagged, you just would not receive any notification about it. Number 4. Select automatically deactivate my account box if you want to automatically deactivate your account in a certain amount of time. Number 5. Press deactivate to activate the account. Your account will be hidden from other Facebook users but will still be stored on the system in case you return. To reactivate your account, simply log back into Facebook as you normally would. Deactivating is not the same as deleting your account. Your data and information still be safe on Facebook and people can still tag you. Number 6. Confirm your password as needed and then press deactivate now. Thanks for watching.